She pull up, hop out, then she swerve. Do your two-step, your little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
I pull up, hop out, then I swerve. Do my two-step, my little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
Do your dance, girl, do your dance, girl. Is it me and you, or is you with your friends, girl? Is it you and them, or is we making plans, girl? Double up the coops, eyes and hers the bands, girl. She a 10, better tell her strike a pose.
Hey guys, welcome back to Miss Shan's Shorty Recipes. Thanks again, you guys, for joining me for yet another quick and easy recipe. Today's recipe, we're going to go ahead and take a spin on the traditional lasagna, but instead of using the pasta noodles, we're going to go ahead and use some wonderful fresh zucchini. So in this case, we're going to go ahead and make some stuffed zucchini lasagna boats. So this is going to be a spin on the lasagna. So instead of using the noodles, we're going to stuff our zucchini with some delicious lasagna flavors. So hopefully you guys are ready to get stuffed. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Share this video out. Definitely appreciate that. And if you are not subscribed, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button and the bell so you can be notified of every time I drop a new video. So let's go ahead and get started. To start this off, you're going to need some zucchini. I have about 6 zucchinis here. I'm just going to go ahead and cut the tops and the bottoms off of the zucchini. And then I'm going to go ahead and slice them down lengthwise. So just go ahead and cut them from the top to the bottom, and you'll have 2 halves so that we can go ahead and start scooping out the inside of the zucchini so we can make our boat-shaped zucchini. So once you have all of your zucchini cut in half and scooped out, you're going to go ahead and place them in a large baking dish coated with cooking spray or some kind of olive oil. Then we're going to go ahead and season these. So we're going to add some Italian seasoning. Then we're going to go ahead and add some black pepper. And add a little bit of salt. When you're done seasoning, just go ahead and set that aside. Now let's go ahead and get started on the filling. Add a little bit of olive oil to your pan. And then I'm going to go ahead and add some Italian sausage. You can use beef or a mixture of both. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and just use Italian sausage only. Go ahead then and just brown the sausage. Just remember to keep kind of breaking it up as you're cooking so that you don't really have too big of chunks of sausage. We want a nice little sausage crumble. Then we're going to go ahead and add a little bit of diced onion. Get that incorporated into our sausage mixture. And then here I'm adding the leftover zucchini that I scooped out. Now, this is a step you don't have to do necessarily, but I figured why let it go to waste. So I just went ahead and put that into the sausage mixture as well. Next, we're going to go ahead and add some chopped garlic. Next, go ahead and add in your tomato sauce. You can use your favorite tomato sauce. In this case, I am just using a regular jarred sauce. Go ahead and stir everything together. Then go ahead and season your sauce. You can add some salt, some pepper, sugar, whatever spices you like to add. Let that simmer. Then go ahead and take your hollowed out zucchini that you had. Fill that with the sauce mixture. And then go ahead and top it with some mozzarella cheese. Then you're gonna go ahead and bake these in a preheated oven of 400 degrees for about 25 minutes. You should see that the cheese will be melted and golden brown. We have some stuffed zucchini boats, baby.
Yeah.
And when I say stuffed, I mean they have Italian sausage, a spaghetti or a marinara sauce with Italian sausage. We've got some cheese on there. There's onions. And then, of course, it is in a boat of zucchini.
Zucchini, baby.
So, guys, these stuffed zucchini lasagna boats were delicious. The zucchini was still so tender because we did bake them in the oven, so they were able to get nice and tender. Then we had that delicious filling with the sausage and the marinara sauce. I definitely recommend you guys give these a try, especially if you're trying to do a lighter version of lasagna. It's something you definitely want to give a try. So hopefully you guys did enjoy the recipe. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Let me know if you've ever tried these. Share this video out. I definitely appreciate that. And if you are not subscribed, go ahead, hit that subscribe button and the bell so you can be notified of every time I drop a new video. You guys take care and thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.